Home Assistant 2022.8 has a new color palette to make legibility easier. For those who kept asking for a chance to fix things, now 25 system issues could be repaired by the users. We have yet to discuss the integration for multiple devices, and these new updates and additions are exactly what we have been waiting for. Here are the awesome Home Assistant new integrations 2022.8 you should know about. To begin, a new first-class Bluetooth support. Formerly, users have reported strain in searching for available devices. Thus, the new Bluetooth integration will make automatic nearby device discovery easier and more instant. Moreover, the Home Assistant update includes support for future expansion and updates, which means other support updates for Bluetooth devices can be implemented. The possibilities that this update will unlock are limitless. There are users already under the announcement on their website mentioning newer Bluetooth updates they will like to see. Notwithstanding, the 2022.8 release has proven more stable for the Bluetooth experience. For instance, since the first-class Bluetooth support release, integrations like SwitchBot, Mote, Gubby, Sensor Push, Xiaomi BLE, and Inkbird. The updates are also reflected on existing setups, especially if you are using Raspberry Pi 3 or 4. As already DIY community members create these local privacy and control updates and supervise implementation, and their contributions continue to help the Home Assistant fanbase. Thanks to the thinkers, the updates are possible. This improved experience for Bluetooth is not the only one available. Other Bluetooth updates make smart door locks and wall plugs pair directly with the Home Assistant without an iPhone. We will share more on this Bluetooth HomeKit experience shortly. Moreover, 2022.8 has a new feature for self-service. Currently, anyone who has any bugs in their system can go to the dashboard and fix them themselves. If you open the Settings menu on your dashboard, there will be pressing notifications of issues that need your fixing. These Home Assistant integration issues range from past, current, and future issues caused by using specific features. Right now, you can fix 25 issues. However, the problems are easily resolved and only require a few actions from you. First, you will click on the issue to discuss its full information. When you discover the issue, information on how to fix it will be provided. It could involve either updating a feature or confirming something for instant fixing. If the Self-Help Edition goes well, more issues could be added to the feature to ease the work of contributing technicians. Furthermore, the Home Assistant's new integrations have implemented a HomeKit controller for Bluetooth support. It looks like Bluetooth were the core of 2022.8 upgrades. The first-class Bluetooth support has opened the doors for a HomeKit controller to connect with capable devices directly. For instance, wall plugs, door locks, and other smart devices in the HomeKit category can now be automatically connected via Bluetooth. These HomeKit devices are monitored and controlled by you once they are integrated into the system. Again, this Bluetooth support does not require a third-party app to function. Once they can connect to Bluetooth by themselves, no need for a computer or mobile device's intervention.
Does that on some?
Better yet, you can update it from time to time without changing the integration plan through push-based updates. What if there is more than one integration for the HomeKit? Home Assistant 2022.8 says it has provisions to cover all the available integrations. Later, we will share more on how devices can share a similar integration. On top of that, a Home Assistant guide has shown that the maps have dramatically improved in color. For most, it might not be as significant as a repair option, but it might delight those who found reading the previous maps slightly illegible. The new color palette has excellent contrast and enough brightness to balance readability with tasteful resplendence. For those who have their Home Assistants in dark mode, the colors are outstanding and perfectly depict what maps should reflect in today's era.
This color's better.
The change might not feature much in terms of the quality of maps, but the color is enough to attract user excitement. After all, one might say there is nothing to add to a map unless you consider creating new cities and roads. The algorithm will update itself when necessary. Subscribe to our channel and get updates directly when we drop new videos. Sometimes the algorithm is insufficient to supply you with everything we offer. Additionally, Home Assistant 2022.8 offers integration of more than one brand. Integrations may work for multiple brands. This is due to a similarity in communication protocol or the same products sold under different names. For example, Hunter Douglas can also be white-labeled as Luxaflex. Other times, they sold these devices under different names in different countries because luxury has a unique name in each region of the world.
Oh, it makes it more expensive.
This might make integration challenging, but now there is a remedy to that. Using an integration can mean endless possibilities for supporting other integrations. New Home Assistant integrations will alert you if available integrations support your setup. Almost everyone who sets up Home Assistant integrations is excited by the thought of home theaters, which is a fact. If you feel seen, we have a video that compares a TV and projector for your home theater display. Watch how to build a home theater. TV versus projector, which is best for your home.